Hey, this is Stephen Allison with AA Digital Media. Today we're going to show you how to give someone access to your Facebook ads account. It's a pretty easy process. So once you do go to your Facebook page, you're going to click on the right-hand side of All Tools over here. It's going to take you to your Meta Business Suite. Click All Tools. When you go to the All Tools, you're going to click your Ads Manager. And what the Ad Manager is going to do, it's going to bring up the business settings. So we're going to click on Ads Manager. We're going to go back. We're going to go down. Go to Add Account Settings. So this is one option to go open to business setting roles. And what it's going to do, it's going to take you to the business settings page that we currently already were at. So the business settings page to here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on users and you're going to go to people. And what you're going to do is you're going to add a person. And all I'm going to do here is put in a dummy email address for now. And this is currently my email address. And I don't want to give myself access to my account because I already have access. So we're going to put the email in. Now, depending on what type of administrative rights or administrative access you want to give to the individual that's going to be handling your ad account, you can either give them employee access where you keep this checked off, or you click full admin rights. What you're going to do is click next. And here, basically, we're going to give the individuals access to each ad account, the catalogs, the apps, if you have any catalogs or apps, and if you want to give those individuals access to that, you're going to give them access to your Pixel. And if you have your Instagram account tied into your Facebook, you can give them access to that as well. So it's a pretty straightforward process. After you put the information in, you're going to select the access that you want to give to the individual, and then you're going to click invite, and then an email is going to be sent to them, and they'll have access to your Facebook business page.